Good bite, mate, go. I'm sure what's going on. Yeah, you got him, keep going. Nice Sambo, good stuff. Great Sambo, mate, well done. Nice salmon to start off the day. Ready? He gave us a bit of splash and a bit of colour, eh? And just like that, the breeze has picked up. Got it. Third time's a charm. And it's a starfish. An invasive species starfish. So we know where this is going, ladies and gentlemen. This is going right there, because they are bad for our waters. I don't know.
Nice stuff, go mum, go. Big fish mum, go.
Well done, go mate.
Keep going mum.
No idea what it is at this point. That big Sambo.
Salmon and a starfish.
Oh, you lost your starfish, but you got your Sambo.
Wow, good job mum. Ripper work.
Great stuff, man. We'll get a quick measurement of this one. He's about, what would you say, about 36, 36 and a half? Yeah, 36 and a half, 37. Let's get him back. Boom, shakalaka. Yep, it's gotten that bad, ladies and gentlemen. It has gotten that bad. What'd you get? A little blenny.
Got this little blenny here. Ah! Oh, you better put my finger, man. It just... Oh.
Is it market?
Yeah, man.
Look at that. Blennies don't mess around, ladies and gentlemen. Caught it. COUTA. Was a COUTA. Got it again. Got you that time, mate. On the old pumpkin seed grub tail. We're a bit low on bait at the moment, and COUTA seems to be working lately, so we're going to keep this bad boy here for bait. Nice. Got it. Stay on, stay on. Laddie. The old bottom bashing works. Wouldn't mind if you were a little bit bigger though, mate. On the old 4-inch pumpkin seed. He's not the biggest, but at this stage, he's content, and I'm happy with that. Straight under the jetty he goes. Got it, I think. Yep. It's not very big. A little snotty. About time you guys showed up. You got one too? Flatty. Not a bad size one either. That's not bad considering we've caught like 5 fish between us. I'll put mine back first.
Snotty.
Let's call it this little snotty trevally. Good stuff, mate. Far out, he really does smell fishy, this flathead does. I'm on. I hope. Yeah, I am. Flatty. Not a bad size one. You little turd, what are you doing? Calm down. That wasn't that hard now, was it, mate? You on? He's on. Good stuff, mate. A monster flatty. What you got, mate? Well done, mate. Good stuff. We'll get real close to him too. Looks bigger. Chuck him over here.
Away he goes.
Hands on again. Tara's quick. Some bend in the rod. It's a lot bigger than what we've been getting lately, eh? Great stuff, mate. Well done. The old white-bellied flatty. Jeez, he's wriggling, eh? He's giving us a show.
Look at him go.
Got it. That took all my finesse and that did. A little snotty on the float. Something about snotties, they just have such a funny look to them. Everything about them, their eye, the little nose, the way their nose is pushed in. Well, you got a COUTA, mate. Good stuff. Paul's got himself a COUTA. You got one too, do you? Yep, good stuff. It's all happening at the moment. A little wiggly COUTA. Chucking back, mate. A little tail splash there at the end. You got this, mate. Crocodile right there. Live release, ladies and gentlemen, live release. Let's get a slow-mo on that right now. That was bloody and cool though. Got it. Fighting like a flatty. And it is a flatty. This one's been really lethargic. Got it. What is it? It's not a bad size snotty at all. That's the biggest snotty I've ever caught. Big snotty. He's just shy, he's about 24 centimetres, he's just shy of legal. Let's put him back now. Tell you what though, pound for pound, they go alright, them snotties. It is officially freezing. I'm shivering so bad, guys. We got an episode's worth. Be silly to push it beyond this point and get sick or something. Hope you enjoyed this one. Like I said last week, bring on summer. Let's get the hell out of here.